welcome to the mathematics class. We will discuss today the indefinite integration. Indefinite integration. Right? We will discuss the indefinite integration. Indefinite integration, this is also called antiderivative. This is called antiderivative or primitive. This is also called antiderivative or primitive. Right? Indefinite integration, antiderivative or primitive. Look at d by dx of sin x is what? Cos x. D by dx of sin x is cos x, means this is the differential coefficient of sin x is cos x. We can write like this: d of sin x equals to cos x into dx. This is called the derivative or differential coefficient. This is called differential. Differential of sin x is cos x. Look at d stands for difference. Difference means minus initial value, final value minus the initial value. Look at, so here is sin x is equal to integration of cos x into dx. This is called integration. Why you use this symbol for integration? Look at difference. Difference, from difference we confirm the word d. This is difference, and the reverse process of difference is summation. This is s. This s symbol used for integration. Summation is difference, reverse process of difference. So s in the elongated form रे हम s को लिखले, that is called the integration. तो एडी आ गोटे कथा देखिबा, d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. ताले integration of cos x into dx is equal to sin x. पुणी को d by dx of sin x plus 5 equal to cos x. ताले integration of cos x into dx equal to केते हो? sin x plus 5. So in each integration, here is constant 0. In each integration there will be a constant. ଆଉ से constant को हमें constant of integration कहती. एट जो constant आसबो, that constant is called the constant of integration. Now we go for the formula of integration. We now go for the formula of integration. Formula first, integration of dx, that is equal to x plus c. Formula of integration. First bit, second bit, integration of x to the power n into dx. It is x to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Third bit, integration of x to the power minus 1 into dx is equal to log x plus c. Here is n not equal to minus 1. Fourth bit, integration of e to the power x into dx is equal to e to the power x plus c. Fifth, integration of a to the power x into dx. It is a to the power x by ln a plus c. A greater than 0, a not equal to 1. In exponential function, base cannot be negative number, base always positive number, and it is not 1 also. Fifth, sixth bit, integration of sin x into dx, that is equal to minus cos x plus c. Why it is minus? Sin no integration रे minus cos x आसीबो, because minus cos x derivative is sin x, right? Next is seventh bit, integration of cos x into dx. This is equal to sin x plus c. Next is integration of sec square x into dx. This is equal to tan x plus c. Next is integration of sec x into tan x into dx. This is equal to sec x plus c. Next is integration of cosec square x into dx. That is equal to minus cot x plus c. Integration of cosec x into cot x into dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c 12 bit integration of 1 by root over of 1 minus x square into dx, that is equal to sin inverse x plus c minus cos inverse x plus k, whatever it may be तमे जहाँ भी नहीं पारिबो. Come to 13 bit integration of 1 by 1 plus x square. এটা কার ডেরিভেটিভ পিলা মানে it is tan inverse x derivative, so it is tan inverse x plus c, or you can write minus cot inverse x plus k. 14 integration of 1 by x into root over of x square minus 1 into dx, this is equal to sec inverse x plus c, or you can write minus cosec inverse x plus the constant k. Next come to algebra of integration. Algebra of integration. Algebra of integration. Algebra of integration. First bit integration of fx plus gx into dx is equal to integration of fx dx plus integration of gx dx. Second bit integration of alpha into fx into dx is equal to alpha into integration of fx into dx. Third bit पिला माने integration of fx into gx, product of two functions. This is not equal to integration of fx dx into integration of gx dx. Product of integration of product of two cannot be product of their integration. Similarly, integration of f of x by g of x into dx cannot be equal to integration of fx dx divided by integration of gx dx, right?